As you may have all heard, the usage of disposables have extremely detrimental effects on our health and the environment. After consumers have finished using the disposables, they are discarded. Usually they end up either being dumped in a landfill or reduced to ashes in an incinerator. Let us take a look at a common example: taking away food at a hawker centre.
A standard takeaway from a hawker consists of 4 basic disposables: a styrofoam box, a pair of wooden chopsticks, a plastic spoon, and a plastic bag. These disposables are manufactured by a common material called polystyrene, which is resistant to photolysis and is not biodegradable. In addition, polystyrene contains hydrofluorocarbon, a greenhouse gas which has a global warming potential 1,000 to 1,300 times that of carbon dioxide. Furthermore, improper disposals of plastics may also endanger the lives of sea animals. The production of wooden chopstick causes deforestation, which leads to soil erosion, desertification, and a higher concentration of carbon dioxide in the environment.
Despite having so many negative aspects, we simply cannot do away with disposables entirely. From packaging of takeaways to the usage of plastic bags, the usage of disposables has provided us with convenience that cannot be substituted easily. Can you imagine a life where taking away of food is not allowed?
Another example is the usage of printers. Printing documents is something that is done almost every day, be it in the office, campus, or at home. However, do you know that for each 100,000 cartridges made from new materials, manufacturers use about 5 more tons of aluminium, 40 more tons of plastic, and 1 million more liters of oil? So what happens when cartridges are empty and subsequently disposed? Millions of empty toner cartridges are thrown into the trash every year, destined for incinerators. These cartridges, when burnt, release harmful substances, can lead to various skin diseases and lung cancer.
So what are companies doing to curb this potentially damaging problem?
HP is a multinational corporation that is a leading player in the industry of printers and related goods and services. However, knowing the potentially large-scale impact they can cause to the environment, HP has taken steps to mitigate the problem. HP encourages customers to return their used cartridges back to them. This is known as the HP Closed Loop Program. The HP Closed Loop Program ensures that no ink cartridges returned to them ends up being incinerated or dumped in the landfills. As of 2007, HP has produced more than 1.5 billion cartridges with recycled plastics, saving the environment from potentially devastating effects. However, are they truly effective in achieving their objectives?
Based on interviews conducted, we realized that not many people recycle their cartridges after use. This boils down to the lack of awareness of recycling programs for used cartridges.
In the United States, consumers can send their used cartridges back to HP by mail for free. However, in Singapore, consumers have to travel down to their headquarters to recycle the cartridges. As a result of inconvenience, the recycling rate of cartridges in Singapore remains low. In order to improve the recycling rate, a few modifications need to be made. Firstly, more awareness needs to be created among consumers in Singapore. HP can redesign their package to increase awareness among consumers on their recycling initiative. In addition, incentives such as cash rebates or discounts can be given to encourage consumers to recycle their cartridges. To address the problem of inconvenience, HP can incorporate their recycling initiative through collaborations by having a cartridge drop-off point at the concierge of every mall. Perhaps, another long-term solution would be to look into the materials required to produce a toner cartridge through the life cycle analysis.
So with all that being said, are disposables boon or bane? Well, the truth is, we cannot do away with disposables. It has provided us with convenience that cannot be replaced easily by other products. However, what we can do is try our best to reduce the negative impacts of disposables on the environment. Over the years, many industries use disposables heavily are beginning to step up on their efforts to reduce waste.
So let us do our part to reduce the harmful effects of disposables today.